the voice to the people for whom we are fighting for. This is not a political agenda for the Congress party. This is an agenda where we are giving the voice to the people who do not have the voices. The people who have been affected, as Mr. Nagendraji said, are people from the very low rung. You know, daily wage earners, laborers, vendors, street vendors, maids, domestic help. These are the people, construction workers. These are the people who have actually got affected, and they don't have the voice in the media today. So I request my media friends to be the voice of those people whom we are fighting for. The most important thing is that any time when anybody has to go to a war, they have to prepare for the war. What Modi ji said, that he is doing a war against black money, he is doing a war against fake currency, he is doing a war against corruption. But to go to the war, you have to have all the weapons ready. They had 66 weapons, different weapons released every single day through the RBI. So if you have to fight a war, you need to be prepared. You need to know what are the weapons to be used. You need to prepare what is the process to be followed. That was not done. That is the question which the Congress party is asking. We have released 5 questions to the Prime Minister of this country. Very simple 5 questions. The question number 1: what is the amount of black money that has come back? Or what is the amount of black money that they have unearthed due to demonetization? That is the first question. Second question: what is the loss which has occurred due to demonetization? Loss in terms of exchequer, as Sir was telling, that exchequer to the states, and job losses. Most importantly, the job losses which is coming. The third most important thing is that the people who have lost their life, more than 200 people have lost their lives standing in the queues. So will the Modi Sarkar give compensation for people who have lost their lives? Question number 4: were there any people who were consulted before taking this decision of demonetization? We want to know who are the experts. We want to know the minutes of the meeting of both the RBI as well as the cabinet which took this decision. That is the fourth question. The fifth most important thing is that give the names of the people who have deposited more than 25 lakhs in the bank. These are the 5 questions we have posed. These are very basic questions, and we want a white paper on the demonetization process. Friends, you also have to understand that it is the women who have been affected the most. Mothers and sisters who have stored some money, or kept away some money for any kind of emergency in the family that has been unearthed today. तो गुप्त धन जो बोलते हैं वो बाहर आ गया है. जो बेटी लोग जो है पेरेंट्स के लिए जो पैसा जमा करते हैं, keeping it away from the in-laws or husband, that is come out. Girls who have got money from the parents, just kept it away from the in-laws, that also has come out. जो गुप्त धन है वो पूरा अभी बाहर आ चुका है. अभी उनका कुछ पूरा बैंक में गया तो वो बुक नहीं दे सकता है कि नहीं. तो वो हमारा क्वेश्चन है. माता लोग है जो अपने बहने लोग जो है उनको बहुत तकलीफ हुआ है. इसका पूरा जिम्मेदारी मोदी साहब को लेना पड़ेगा और एक व्हाइट पेपर उनको रिलीज करना पड़ेगा. और एक और बात जो है, जैसे साहब ने बताया था, तेलंगाना का चीफ मिनिस्टर भी एक व्हाइट पेपर रिलीज करना पड़ेगा कि कितना रेवेन्यू लॉस स्टेट के लिए हुआ है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, बिकॉज वी फॉरगेट दैट एनी लॉस टू द एक्सचेकर ऑफ द स्टेट इज अ डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट ऑन द पीपल ऑफ द स्टेट. All your social programs, all your infrastructure spending, all the people spending will come down, and this is the question which all of you have to ask the current state government in Telangana. So by this time, I want you all to take this message, to take this voice of the people through the media to the governments, both in the state as well as the center. I hope you will cooperate with us. You will be there on the 5th for the rally which we have been proposed, and give the voice